Hello and welcome to my original sun face makeup tutorial. And for this look I am using these supplies. I am using a bald head latex wig to hide my hair. I am gluing styrofoam packing peanuts to my face, some large ones and some small ones which I've cut into. I am using the colors orange, yellow, and red Snazaroo face paint. I'm using liquid latex and a Q-tip as an applicator to glue the bald head latex wig to my face, to glue the styrofoam packaging peanuts to my face, and I've already glued down my eyebrows using the liquid latex, so I will be blocking my eyebrows out with a foundation stick. Now, let's begin this transformation. This completes the application of my makeup tutorial. It's now time to compare my face to my art drawing. It's now time to show you my costume ensemble, which I have put together. I am wearing a long sleeve neon t-shirt. On the front of the t-shirt, I have pinned 4 pair of sunglasses. I have removed the plastic earpieces. Then I took the plastic earpieces and attached them to a yellow headband using wire zip ties. I am wearing a yellow Hawaiian lei with a yellow neon and orange gloves. And on the back of the t-shirt, I installed a 9-inch zipper to make the neck of this t-shirt much larger. This way I can get dressed putting the shirt over my head while the styrofoam packing peanuts are glued to my face. It's now time to get into full costume and to show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed my sun face makeup tutorial, and please check out all my other makeup tutorials on my channel. Subscribe to my channel, click that little bell icon at the bottom of the video to receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And thanks for watching.